Figure shows a 5 kg block A being pushed with a 3 Newton force. In front of this block is a 10 kg block B. The two blocks move together. What force does block A exert on block B? So he gave mass of A is equal to 5 kilograms and mass of B is equal to 10 kilograms. Both are side by side. And then somebody is pushing a 5 kg block with a force of 3 newtons that I have drawn on here. Okay. Now, this is based on the Newton's third law and also Newton's second law. According to Newton's third law, the these are action reaction forces. That means whatever the force the first block um, puts on second block, the same amount of force the second block applies on the first block. Okay. So FAB is equal to negative FBA. Okay, that is the Newton's third law. FAB is equal to negative FBA. That means for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So these two forces are action reaction forces. So whatever the force A applies on B, the same amount of reaction force B applies on A. Okay. So the first, this is the applied force. 3 newtons is the net force applied on the system. From the net force, we can find out the acceleration. So sigma F is equal to ma is the Newton's second law. From this, we can find out the acceleration of the objects, because when the hand is pushing the blocks, both the blocks will move with the same acceleration. So therefore, 3 is equal to net force is equal to 3. 3 is equal to total mass 10 plus 5, 15 kilograms times A. Therefore, A is equal to 0.2 meters per second square. Now he is asking what force does block A exert on block B. For that, what I do is first I will show you how because if we find out FBA, that is equal to FAB, no, both are because they are action reaction forces. But I will show both. So what I do is for when I select the second block, I have to find out only one force, FBA, no other force. Okay, that is easy. That is why first I did this one. FBA is equal to MBA, mass times acceleration. So 2 newtons. So 2 newtons is the contact force. That means 2 newtons force B is applying on A. Now we can prove the same thing by taking the A block A also. For that, F net minus F contact is equal to MA. Okay. So we are supposed to find out contact force. Therefore, F net minus MA is the F contact. So what is the F net? F net is 3 newtons. And then MA is mass times acceleration. Am I right? So mass is 5 kilograms, this one. And then acceleration is 0.2. Therefore, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 newtons. Both are one and same, no? FAB is equal to FBA. That is what he is asking. Hope this helps. I will do one more problem based on this same kind of problem with the three blocks. Here we found the contact force between two blocks. Let us find out the contact force between three blocks. So here, 1 kg block, here, let me read the question. Blocks with masses of 1 kg, 2 kg, and 3 kg are lined up in a row on a frictionless table. All three are pushed forward by a 12 Newton force applied to the 1 kg block. How much force does the 2 kg block exert on the 3 kg block and 1 kg block? Now we have to find out the contact force between 1 kg block and 2 kg block and 2 kg block and 3 kg block. Now 12 newtons is the net force and F12 is equal to F21. Similarly, F23 is equal to F32. Okay. So I wrote the same thing here. This is also based on I need not say Newton's third law and second law. So F net, what is the F net? 12 newtons is equal to MA. Mass is total mass. 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 kilograms. 12 newtons is equal to 6A. Therefore, A is equal to 2 meters per second square. Now we have to find out the contact force between the 3 kg block and 2 kg block. Okay. So for that, I am writing F23 is equal to minus F32. Okay. Whatever the force the second block exerts on third block, the same amount of 3 kg block applies on 2 kg block. Okay. So F is equal to MA. So I am taking the 3 kg block and then trying to find out the contact force, because that is the easiest way. Because on 3 kg block, no other force is acting, only the contact force. So I can find out the contact force easily by writing F is equal to MA. So F32 is equal to mass times acceleration, 6 newtons. Now, what is the contact force between the 2 kg block and 1 kg block? So for that, what I do is I will take this one. So F net minus F contact is equal to MA, I will take. So I have to find out the F contact. So F contact is equal to F net minus MA, no? So here, what is the F net? 12 newtons. And then the MA is 1 kilogram times the acceleration. So this is a 2. So 12 minus 2 is equal to 10 newtons. So 10 newtons is the contact force between the 1 kg block and 2 kg block, or the force applied by the 1 kg mass on the 2 kg mass. So because I already told no, F12 is equal to minus F21. So the same amount of force, that's the 2 kg block is applying on 1 kg block. So this is the answer. This is 6 newtons and 10 newtons are the answer for the question. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye bye.